In India alone, millions of road accidents occur every year. But what if we could predict and prevent them using data and AI? Hi everyone, me and my team, Ingenium, is thrilled to introduce our project, Driving Safer Road, AI for Motor Insurance Risk Assessment. The problem is traditional insurance model and reactive and often generic. They don't account for how you drive. That's where our solution steps in. We have built an AI powered platform that uses real time telemetrics and vehicle data to generate personalized risk scores. These scores help ensure a customized plan and promote safer road. Our machine learning model, which is integration of three models weigh more on key driving parameters like acceleration, speed, throttle engine, load, and fuel consumption, along with OBD data for deeper insight. These models are hosted and served through Google Cloud Vertex AI, ensuring efficient processing. When drivers sign up, they connect the device and simply drive. Our system then collects 10-minute driving snapshot, analyzing the data using ML model on Vertex AI. Based on this risk analysis, a risk score out of 100 is generating, offering valuable insight into driving behavior and safety. To personalize experience, we have used Parivahan API to fetch vehicle detail from just the registration number. We have also integrated Gemini AI to offer chatbot support for real-time feedback and guidance. There are six features basically. The first one is reward, which is simply and encourages safe driving by offering reward points and insurance discount to low risk drivers. About us is a simple overview of a theme and how we have leveraging technology to create safer roads. And the other three are drive behavior insight, and the main one is risk prediction, and which we have assessed the driver's risk using telemetrics and OBD data, giving a personalized risk score and categorizing them into low, medium, or high with safety driving tips. From accident prediction to behavior based premium plans, our system is more than just a tech project, it's a shift towards responsible driving. Thank you.